Are you ready to transform your career with a few lines of code? Let's dive in. At ByondBrains, we believe in the power of technology to change lives. From self-driving cars to personalized AI recommendations, it all begins with understanding Python if conditions. Imagine this, you're programming a self-driving car. An if condition helps it decide when to stop at a red light or go on green. It's as simple as if light =red car dot stop, elif light == green car dot go, but it doesn't stop there. Python if blocks can handle multiple conditions, making your code smarter and more efficient. Think about a recommendation system that offers movie suggestions. Based on your preferences, it uses if, elif, and else to tailor the perfect list for you. With ByondBrains, you're not just learning to code, you're learning to innovate. Our expert instructors guide you through dynamic hands-on projects, ensuring you master skills that are in high demand. Transform your potential into a thriving career. Join ByondBrains today, and let's build the future together.